Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Want to give discounts in Shopify only when certain conditions are met? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create conditional discounts. For this, I have used Next Discount app, which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. I have added the link to this app in the description box. Just check it out from there. Once installed it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Advanced Coupon. Go for the product discount option and click on Create Product Discount. Now we can have some title here. I'm adding Flash 100 as my title and I'm choosing the discount method as code. And I'm copy pasting the same title and code here. And I can also combine this code with the existing offers like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. I can also limit the number of times this discount can be used in total, or I can set this as this should be applied only for one time per customer. Now comes the rules part. So here we can have two kind of check, like all condition must match and any condition must match. So for all conditions must match, the code will check for all the conditions. Then only then the code get applied. And in case of any condition must match, the code will check for any conditions to get satisfied. If it is satisfying, then the offer can be applied. Now I'm choosing for all condition must match condition. So I'm adding my condition as the customer tag equal to VIP, and I'm adding another condition as my total amount in the cart greater than 1000. So I have two conditions here. So if these two conditions are got matched or satisfied, then only the code flash 100 will be applied. And I'm giving an action like I can apply my discount for all my products or a specific products or a specific collection. For now, I am adding it for all my products. And I'm giving a percentage value of 10 and a maximum discount amount as 100. After adding all the necessary details, I'm going to save the changes. Now I'm checking in the discount section whether my code is got activated. Now you can see that Flash 100 is got activated. Now I am checking the details of the VIP customer from the customer section. Now you can see that this customer is having a tag called VIP. Now we can test the setup in our online store. So first I am trying to buy a product of worth 785. I have added the VIP details here, my customer's detail, and I'm adding my code flash 100 as here. Now you can see that the code is not applied because we have already set up some uh, minimum value of the cart as 1000. So whenever the cart value exceeds 1000 and this code will get applied. So we can just check with some other products now. So I'm trying to buy the 3000 worth product. Now I am adding my code flash 100. So the other condition is that VIP condition of the customer is not matched here. So I'm adding the VIP customer's detail. I'm again applying the code. Now you can see that this code is got flash 100 is got applied. Since the 10% of 3000 is 300, even though we have set up a capping amount or the maximum discount amount as 100, then only the maximum discount amount deducted will be 100. So here is a tip. If you need any advanced option beyond what I have discussed here, You can always reach out to the support team from the app. They will help customize the app for you in your store's need. So if this find useful and it's helping you, then don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next Shopify tutorial. Thanks for watching.